Hi, one of the most important jobs you will probably have as a journalist is to conduct different interviews with public figures. The most common types of interviews which you are likely to conduct is with politicians or experts. The tips discussed in this video will be useful for both of these. The first tip is to decide on the format. Interviews can take different shapes and forms, and therefore these differences in style may affect which questions you ask and how you ask them. For example, an interview for a light 5-minute online video may differ from an hour-long in-depth interview covering complex theories and ideas. Understanding the audience of the interview and thinking about the most suitable format can help you decide on the style of the interview and questions which you will ask. Moreover, it is also very important to clarify with the person who you are interviewing the style in advance so that they are prepared for the amount of questions asked and for the length of the interview. The second tip is to research as much as possible. The success of your interview will be decided eventually by how much research you did. Don't forget that these public figures have most likely been interviewed hundreds of times. Therefore, anyone can find answers to the most obvious questions. Your job is not to ask the same question the 50th time, but to think of a question that has never been asked before. Not only are you more likely to get a better response by doing this, because they were not prepared for these questions, but you're also more likely to get more people read your interview because this is genuinely new content which you are getting this way. The third tip is to never send the questions in advance. One of the most important parts of an interview is that the person who is getting interviewed is not able to craft a perfect response in advance, but have to respond on the spot. Therefore, the reason why this is so crucial is because journalists play a very important role in keeping politicians accountable. It is the journalist's job to surprise them with difficult questions and inform the public about what they are doing. This were not possible if the politicians could prepare for the questions with their advisors and create perfect answers in advance. The fourth tip is to set clear rules and boundaries. Even though your job is to keep those in power accountable and ask them about their corruption scandal, you should clarify in advance whether questions related to their personal life are also allowed. If they ask you not to talk about their personal life, please respect that because at the end of the day, they are also humans. However, don't let this stop you from asking the most uncomfortable questions about their professional life. Also clarify that everything which they say may be published so that there is no confusion later on. The fifth tip is to control the conversation. Keep in mind that these people have a lot of experience with interviews and can easily not answer a question or shift the conversation away from an uncomfortable topic. Therefore, it is your job to actively pay attention whenever they are not directly answering the question, and feel free to stop them and pose the question one more time in order to get a direct response. Moreover, if they are derailing the conversation by, for example, beginning a 20-minute long lecture about one specific topic, make sure to politely interrupt them and guide the conversation back according to your plan. The sixth and final tip is to always ask and look out for follow-up questions. A lot of times, this is where you can find the most surprising responses, as it is very hard for them to prepare in advance for these. Also, they can be useful to highlight logical flaws in politicians' arguments. We hope that you could find these tips to be useful, and please feel free to let us know if you have any questions. See you next time.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope we could help you writing your article.
And if you have any question, feel free to contact us. And also, if you would like to learn more about journalism, don't forget to watch the other videos as well.